All right, so we are at the second model at La Valencia, and we will get back to that in just a moment. We're going to start at the front of the house where you already have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms before we even get to the hallway. So here's bedroom number 1. It is a smaller bedroom, but again, functional. I love what they did with the wall. That's absolutely adorable. But as you can see, that's like a full-size bed. You can push a queen, but it's definitely gonna take up some space in here, but it is doable. And I love the tall ceilings, which definitely open up the space. And this closet for a smaller room is really, really nice. So that works as well. So that's bedroom number 1. We'll get to the bathroom in just a second. Here's bedroom number 2. And again, very functional. So that's a full-size bed. They got a desk and a dresser in this room. And there's still some walk space between everything there. The closet in this one is smaller, but the way it's designed is actually bigger than it looks because it's like 2 closets in one. You can stack stuff here, and then against the wall you can hang things up, and there's a shelf. So I like this closet design. I think it's a good use of space. Here is the full bathroom that goes up front. So you have 2 sinks, and it's closed off from the toilet and from the tub. So if you know someone's in there, you can still use the sink. However, if that becomes just too much of a problem, all you gotta do is take a couple extra steps, and here's the powder room. So toilet and sink are over here, right next to the 2 bedrooms that are up in the front. So for your guests, they got a little longer walk, but for the people who live here, literally a few extra steps and you're in the second bathroom. So that's pretty dang cool. Now, here is your flex space here, which you could turn into an extra bedroom if you absolutely need it. You can make it a formal dining room. You can do what was done here, make it into an office space. So a lot of different things you can do with that flex space there. Off to the left is going to be to your garage and also your laundry room, which is a nice laundry room. It's got cabinets already here. I'm sure you can turn this into a sink if you'd rather not have a sink. Have the countertop there. Big enough space for washer and dryer and to not feel claustrophobic while you're washing clothes. And then here's the open living room, dining room, kitchen space. Look at that. Good use of space here. So if you like an open floor plan, I don't think it gets no more open than this. I love these cabinets. It's like a dark blue. You can kind of see it now. You don't see that very often. You normally see your black, your white, and maybe your grays, but to see a blue, and it works nicely. So if you're designing something and this builder, just know that they do have that color as an option, and it's really, really pretty. And you can see how far I am from the front door all the way back to the kitchen, and then that takes you into all of your living spaces here. So we're gonna do things a little bit different. We're gonna go over to the quote unquote backyard, because apparently they like putting their backyards on the side with these homes, which is kind of cool because you walk right out your door and you go into your outside area where you can entertain there. So not much of a quote unquote backyard because it's off to the side. So let's see what's behind the house. I'm just curious. Let's go. What do we have here? So your air AC units back here. I guess you can do some storage back here or whatever the case may be, but I like how this is on the side. I don't know why, I like it. And it's all pavered, so very low maintenance as far as yard work is concerned. Very, very nice. And I love these big open windows that let all the beautiful natural light in. And then we're gonna close that and we're gonna head over to the primary bedroom. So this is pretty standard where your primary bedroom's in the back of the house. And that's how this one is situated. And look at that wall. So you got plenty of space on that wall. And then you turn around here and there you go. Bathroom. Oh, look at that. That's cute. Bathroom's over here with the double sinks. Stand-up shower. Separate bathroom, toilet area. Storage here, and here's your closet. Now, this closet, there's space behind the door, so that definitely helps. Functional, very functional closet. And then they put a mirror on the door, in the door. So you got a mirror in the door, so that's pretty cool. I love this tile that they chose on the wall. like it a lot. So this one again, prices starting just under $600. I'm sure before you start doing your design center stuff. So if you're looking for something under $600, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage in Gilbert, give me a call, 623-207-7146. Other than that, we'll see you guys next time.